lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. I am so excited today, you guys. Y'all know I never stop working for y'all. So this job is even bigger than the job that I posted yesterday. This is so much better, okay? So we're gonna get into this job right now. But you guys, I am so excited today. I'm so excited today. I'm excited because, you guys, the shout out of the day is going to be so good. I'm going to tell you a little bit about one of my clients, you guys. So the job of the day, it is $252,000. It is fully remote, you guys. It is no degree required, and you still have that bonus, you guys. You still have that bonus. This job pays more, and it looks like you're going to do a little bit less than the job yesterday. So let's get into this job right now. Before I do, let me get out to the shout outs of the day. One person in particular, Miss Tiara M, she got an offer for $169,000, you guys. She used my virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. She used that, and she said that when she rewrote her resume, she did not think that she qualified for this position, but she put the application in anyway. She took the leap of faith. She got the resume rewrite session, you guys, and she put the application, well, she put her resume in anyway. She pushed past it. Girl, when I tell you that I am so excited for you, it's girl, I could cry. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. Okay, but I am so excited for you, girly. You guys, take that leap of faith. Go get that resume rewrite session, okay? And she got her offer for $169. Mr. Michael D, he got his for $173, and Miss Elizabeth K, she got hers for $137, you guys. She used the DIY kit, but Michael used the resume rewrite session, you guys. I am so amazingly happy for you guys. I hope y'all can hear the excitement. This channel is changing lives, and I am so excited to hear that, okay? So let's get out to the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day today is I will take control of my today. I'm gonna take control of my today. I am gonna take control of my tomorrow. And the reason why I can take control of my today and I can take control of my tomorrow is because God has already conquered it for me, okay? I'm gonna walk in my blessing. Every blessing that is out there for me, I am going to walk in that blessing. Y'all go ahead and walk in this blessing and go pick up that resume rewrite kit, the virtual resume rewrite kit, you guys. That is just the inspiration of the day, and I want you guys to remember that while you are job searching, every good thing will come to you, you guys, okay? Nothing. God is a God that will not hold anything back from you, and I know this personally. You guys. So you guys have a, hey, take control of today. Y'all go get that resume rewrite session, the virtual resume rewrite session. Let's rewrite these resumes and let's get you the jobs that you deserve, even if you don't think that you deserve that job right now. Go ahead, Miss Tiara M. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this job. I'm sorry for the long pause. Sorry for the long introduction, you guys. I'm so excited for her, okay? It's like I got the job. Okay, so let's get into this job. So like I said, this job makes $252,000, you guys. This job is fully remote, and there's no degree required. And you guys, there's a bonus in this with full health benefits. So let's get right into this right now. Okay, you guys, so Etsy is looking for a group product manager for their comparison shopping department. You guys, let's read down into this job. And like I said, most people really don't know that Etsy has these great positions. So that's why I'm bringing to you guys on this channel, you guys. I don't care if you're male, I don't care if you're female. This is such a good position, you guys. Keep going, okay? Keep going in the search. You guys, I can't wait to read y'all name out on my shout outs. You guys, use that resume template kit, the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. And I made it so easy. It is pay in full, you guys. That resume rewrite session, it is pay in full. So you got me and you're paying in full. Like I said, pay me later. Go fill out for this job right now. So let's look into it. Let's start digging, you guys. You guys can read that first paragraph, but I'm going to get into the job description. It says we are looking for an experienced product leader to improve our existing buyer comparison experience. The team focuses on building and iterating products that make it easier for buyers to evaluate Etsy's vast inventory. As the group product manager. So this is, I told you guys, this is another product or program management job, you guys. My resume rewrite session, you will have a resume, a professional resume within 10 minutes for this job, you guys. Within 10 minutes, you will have a professional resume that you can submit. You guys, I did a pay in full for you guys, so you guys can get that resume, the virtual rewrite session today. Sit down for 10 minutes and have yourself a professional resume. A professional resume, you guys. Okay, so let's get right into it. It says you will develop a strategy to help buyers find and compare items on Etsy. As a group product manager, you will lead a team. So you're going to lead a team of product managers to build capabilities that ensure buyers to find the right item for them through dynamic recommendation pathways, improving existing tools for comparison, and building new features. You are also responsible for establishing overarching product vision and strategy to this area. So basically what they're telling you is that you will be leading that team. That is, so you know on the side where it has the recommendations at the bottom, so like when you click an item but it says, hey, you know, you got some recommendations, you are going to be leading that team in implementing better recommendations, you guys. Y'all go get this job because this job sounds so super simple. If you guys, and like I said, if you guys have any management, even if you don't have any management skills, literally go get that resume and put that resume in. Go get that resume rewrite session, you guys, because like I said, I did no pain for that resume. You're gonna experience no pain, no work, no anything. Everything is going to sound right in the resume rewrite session, and it is literally, it is so super simple. All you do is cut and paste, you guys. And like I said before, you guys, it's paying for. So 10 minutes today, put your resume in, okay? It says this is a full-time position, reporting to the director of product, and the base salary range would be $194,000 to $252,000, you guys. Do y'all understand how much your life can change with that type of salary, you guys? Ain't no more evictions. There are no more repos on your cars. Literally, you get to pay all of your bills. Go take the leap of faith. Invest in yourself, you guys. This is a no pain, no work resume rewrite service that I put in a paying for you guys. How simple, you guys. Okay, so let's go to what's this team like at Etsy. You know what? We're not gonna go to the team. We're gonna go straight down to what does the day-to-day look like. Is set the product strategy based on quantitative and quantitative learnings and prioritize focus on areas to ensure product development squads create successful outcomes for our customers and business. You are going to be the managers of the product development team. Okay, so if you have ever managed a team, and I have put that in my virtual resume rewrite session, that is definitely one of the bullet points about managing and leading a team, you guys. And then it says define frameworks and metrics that ensure teams to measure progress toward their goals. You're going to be the manager of the team. They're paying you to be the manager of the product team. They're not paying you to actually create the product. They're paying you to be the manager of the team. Y'all go get that resume rewrite session, okay? Because it has everything on there, from measuring matrix and frameworks to productively leading that team. It says work closely and collaboratively with leaders across other functions, including engineers. So you're going to be working cross-functionally again on teams. It says develop the skills and career of the project managers on your team. Like I said, they're not asking you to actually create. They're asking you to manage, you guys. Go get that rewrite session, because the rewrite session, it basically, you can make your resume using the pre-written experiences. You can make the resume look like you have that you have managed a team, that you have done all of their frameworks, that you have done everything managing a team, because this is what they're asking for. It says coordinate with other product management and product designers, leaders, to ensure the overall user experience is cohesive and consistent. Regularly present to our company executives on roadmap progress. Of course, this is a sample of the kinds of work that this role will require. You should assume that your role will encompass other tasks too, and your job duties and responsibilities may change from time to time. But y'all, let's get down to the qualifications, because this is going to blow your mind. For this role, it says 5+ years of project management experience, ideally 2+ years of experience managing product managers, excited and passionate about solving complex consumer-facing problems, developing strategies and roadmaps, ability to drive cross-functional decision-making, inspiring, engaging, and clear communication by knowing your audience, and comfortable developing team goals and guiding teams through roadmap development to meet those goals. You guys, go out and get this job, okay? They are just, I don't care what they saying on this posting, they are looking for a manager. They're looking for a manager, okay? A manager who manages a team, you guys. All of the qualities that you need, all of the skills that you need are pre-written in my virtual resume rewrite session. Please don't tell me I don't know what I'm writing, because I know what I'm writing. Like I said, you guys, I have done the research and put everything that you need at your fingertips. It is a no work, no pain resume rewriting session, you guys. It is no work. I'm gonna say that again. It is no pain. So you don't have to worry about, hey, does it sound right? You do not have to worry about that, you guys. The only thing that you would have to worry about is putting your name on it, okay? All right, so let's go down. Well, that's about it, you guys. So those are the roles, you guys. And like I said, this job comes with full benefits, completely full benefits. There is a bonus with this job too, you guys. Y'all, go out and get that rewrite session. If I can say it again, go out and get the rewrite session, because I want y'all to put y'all, for real though, I really want you guys, just like Miss Tiara, she didn't think that she was qualified enough. After she rewrote her resume with my resume rewrite session, and I think she paid in full. She paid in full. So before her second payment has come out, well, no, hold on, I don't think it's before the second payment, but she paid in full, you guys. She put that resume in, and you guys, she got that job. That job paid $169,000. She literally started off at $70,000, and she went $100,000 over. Y'all go get that resume rewrite session. I done made it easy, okay? I want this for y'all. I want this for y'all. I hope y'all understand how much I sincerely want you guys to start noticing that you are qualified. You are enough, okay? You are enough. You have what you need, okay? You just need a little bit of help, and that's why I put the tools there, okay, you guys? Stop second guessing yourself, please. Please stop it. Make them pay you what you're worth. Make them pay you what you are worth, you guys. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna leave on that note. Take care of yourself. Take care of others, okay? And more than anything, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this even if nobody told y'all today. You are enough. All right, my beautiful people. Y'all have a blessed and amazingly productive day.